Hi students, welcome to the next session. Yesterday session we finished up to relation definition. I'll revise one more time what is relation definition. A relation capital R from set A to set B is a subset of A cross B and it is defined by relationship between the first element and second element of an order pair in A cross B. That means relation from set A to set B is a first of all subset of A cross B, and this can be defined as it builds the relationship between from first element and second element of an order pair in the A cross B value. Now, how to represent in this condition here, generally relation R, if they given like this, A comma B order pair, if this order pair is belongs to this, where small a is belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B. When this A comma B belongs to relation, then we can say that A is related to B. That is, we can write like this, A related to B. Relation can be any operation, any equation they can give, but that equation express A and B have one relation, A equal to B, A equal to B plus 1, B equal to A square, like that. Any relation they can build, which elements will satisfy that relation, only those we are taking for relation. But A cross B gives what? All set of possible order pairs. What are the possible order pairs? All will list out. But in relation, which elements in that sets satisfy the relation, only those order pairs will take, remaining we are not taking. Okay. Now here, one thing I have to remember, what are the second element we consider? That is an image of first element always. Second element of order pair is image of first element. Next, you should know what is the meaning of domain. Domain of relation. What is the meaning of domain of relation? The set of first elements in a order pair, or the set of first elements of order pair in a relation. What are first elements are that all elements we called as domain. The set of all first elements of a order pair in a relation is called a domain. Set of first elements in a order pair in the relation, those elements only we called as domain. Here what is the first element? A. That is the domain values. Next, what is meant by codomain? Codomain means the complete set B is called an codomain. The set is, the relation is built from A set to B set, means The complete set B we called as codomain. Total set B is called codomain of relation from set A to B. If you find the relation from A set to B set, then set B we called as a codomain of the relation. Next, what is meant by range? Range of a relation. Range means the set of second elements of a order pair in the relation. In order pair, first elements we called as domain. Set of second elements in order pair is called a range. The set of all second elements of a order pair in a relation is called range. That range we are getting, range means what? Your B element, that B is clearly belongs to which set? B set. That's why range is also one set, but it is always subset of which one? Codomain. So remember, range is always subset of codomain. Sometimes equal also. That's why range is always subset or equal to codomain, because what are the range under name is we call set of images. Set of images of first elements we called as range also. Generally we will take as order pair means set of all second elements of a order pair in a relation we called as range. Simply we called means the set of images we called as range. By taking example you can understand. Okay, for example, the A is given elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is given 10, for example, if you take 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Here I am taking relation like this. What relation? A comma B such that A equal to B. This is the relation given between those. Now, which order pair values will satisfy this relation? Those order pairs only we need to take here. Where A is belongs to A, small b belongs to capital B. Now, A cross B means all will come. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 9, 1, 10. Like there with two combinations. What is that? A cross B. But in relation all order pairs we are not taking. Which elements of A and B satisfy this relation? Only those we are taking as a order pair in a relation. Now to build the relation, see once. 1 is there here. Here 1 if you take here 1 should be there because A equal to B. Not there 2, not there 3, not there 4, not there 5, yet is there. 5 comma 5. 6 here is there but here not there. 7 yet is there. 7 comma 7. 9 yes it is there. 10 is not there here. Only these three order pairs are satisfy this relation, but you are not taking remaining order pairs. That's why from this we can write domain. Domain what? Set of all first elements of order pairs in a relation. 5, 7, 9. Range. Set of all second elements. 5, 7, 9. We called here also 5 image is 5, 7 image is 7, 9 image is 9. We call this is image also. Codomain is already what I said. Codomain means if you define the relation from A to B means complete set B is the codomain. All are clear? What is the definition of relation? Domain definition, codomain, range. And from set A, set B, from using relation, how to write the relation? This is which form? Roster form. And writing domain, range and codomain. Next, so note. Now relation can represent by using a set builder form or roster form, or by visual representation means we are using arrow diagrams. Yesterday I explained set we are taking like oval shape, Elements you are writing in this A, B, C, D. This is set A, this is set B. For example, 1 is related to B, will arrow mark will take like this. 2 related to A like this. 2 are also related to C. These 2 can, already I said, one object can relate with any number of objects. No limitation for that. That means 2 having images are what? A and C. 3 like this. This is called arrow diagram representation. For understanding purpose only, to build the relation between 2 sets A and B, we are using this concept also, arrow diagram. Okay. Now, your first point, previous I given definition, relation is defined from A set to B set. There is not required 2 different sets only. We can define the relation between A to A also itself. So, a relation defined from A to A can be called relation on A. Single set is given means here what you are taking A also same and codomain also A also we are taking. That how will read means just simple relation is on set A. Next, second one, relation capital R from set A to set B and the number of elements in set A, n of A equal to P, n of B equal to Q. Then number of relations formula. Number of relations formula is 2 power P into Q. P stands for number of elements in set A, Q is number of elements in set B. The number of relations formula is 2 power P into Q. That formula we need to use to find the number of relations. Okay, we'll discuss some examples. Example 1, let capital A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation capital R from A to A by capital R equal to set of order pair x comma y such that the given relation between x and y is equal to x plus 1. Before I given example with A comma B symbol, they can use any order pair symbols. Okay, this is a relation is given. Now in this first one, depict this relation using an arrow diagram Second question, write down the domain. Write down the domain, comma codomain and range of R. First we need to write the relation, okay, then you can understand. Now set is defined from A to A only, just now I said we can define from A to A only, that we call it as relation on capital A. First I will write the relation based on this. What is the relation is given? Y is equal to x plus 1. First element is x, second element is y. If I take x is 1, substitute here 1 plus 1, y value what you will get? 2. If x is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. If I take x is 3, 3 plus 1, 4. If I take 5, you will get 6. 6 you will take, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is not present in the given set. That's why don't take 6 again. That's why 5 to 6 is the last. This one we need to represent based on arrow diagram. Set A, set B. Here only you are taking few elements, not taking all elements, which are representing only those we are taking. From A to A only means we will take like this, A to A. What A set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1 is not, 1 is related with which one? 2. 2 is having order pair with 3. 3 having with 4. 4 having with 5. 5 having with 6. This is an arrow diagram representation based on this relation. This is a relation between A to A. Second question, what? Write down the domain, codomain, range of R. First domain. Already what I said domain means set of first elements in a relation in order pair. 1, 2, 3, 5. If you take 4 also, one small correction. 4 we are not written. If you take 3, 4 we got. 4 if you take means 4 plus 1, 5. 5 if you take 6. 6 we are not taking. So 1 to up to 5 only you are taking. 6 if you take 7 you will get. But 7 is not there here. So 1 with related with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 5, 5 with 6. 6 is not related because 7 you will get. 7 is not in the set. So next what? First set of first elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next codomain. Codomain means set of the second set. Now in the place of second set, what is there? A set. That's why the complete A set is the codomain. Now what is a range? Range means the set of second elements in an order pair. Second elements are what is there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a domain, codomain and range. So next one. Let capital A equal to set of 1, 2, B equal to set of 3, 4, full stop. Find the number of relations from A to B. Already given formula n of A, that is a P symbol. How many are there? 2. Number of elements in B, that is a symbol Q, that is also 2. Now we have formula number of relations. Formula is 2 power P into Q. 2 power 2 into 2, that is 2 power 4. How many relations? 16 relations. Now next exercise 2.2. First question, important for 3 marks. Let capital A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 14. Full stop. Define a relation capital R from A to A by capital R equal to set of order pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0, comma where both x and y belongs to set A only. Full stop. Write down its domain, comma codomain, and range. For domain 1 mark, codomain 1 mark, range condition wise. Now for that first we need to write the relation capital R, what they given, x comma y order pair such that 3x minus y equal to 0, both x and y from set A only. Or we need to write ma, okay, x whatever you take, y how much you will take, you will get 0. For example, x I taken 1, 3 into 1, 3, y how much we have to take to get 0, 3 only. That's why x1 means y is 3. Next x is 2 I will take, x2 substitute in this formula, 2 3s are 6, send this one that side, what will you get, 6, y value 6. Next x value 3, 3 3s are 9, for easy purpose take this minus by that side, you can get easily. X value 2, 2 3s are 6, y value 6, okay, because order pair x comma y form. X value 3, 3 3s are 9, so y value 9. Next x value 4, 4 3s are 12, you will take 5, take 5, 3 5s are 15, but 15 is not there, 6 3s are 18 is not there, that's all. Only these are the 4 possible order pairs. Relation is over. From this we need to write domain. Domain means what? Set of all first elements in order pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain. Codomain means the complete second set. A to A means this is only codomain. That is A set. Range. Range means the set of second elements are images. One image is 3, 2 image is 6, 3 image is 9, 4 image is 12. That's why set of images is range. 3, 6, 9, 12. That's all answer. 3 marks you will get. It's easy only. Next. Second question. Define a relation capital R on the set capital N of natural numbers by capital R equal to set of x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5 comma x is a natural number less than 4 and x comma y is belongs to n. This is a relation ma, and depict this relationship using roster form and write down its domain and range. Stop. Write down its domain and range. Domain and range we need to find out for this given relation. A set is n only, from n to n we are defining. Relation we need to write. What actual relation is given? X comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5 comma x is a natural number that is less than 4. Less than 4 means what x value is possible? Only 1, 2, 3, that's all. This condition also we need to use. X is a natural number that is less than 4 means only possible x value is what? 1, 2, 3 only. But here x and y both are belongs to natural numbers. For this x values we need to find y, that is only possible order pairs. First x value 1 I will take. Substitute in this formula, 1 plus 5, y value 6. Next x value 2, 2 plus 5, 7. Take 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Only these 3 order pairs possible. as per given conditions. Now okay, this is called roster form because listing the possible order pairs. Or I don't domain. Domain means set of first elements in order pairs. 1, 2, 3. Range, set of second elements in order pair. 6, 7, 8. So next one, question number 3. A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 5. B equal to 4, 6, 9. Full stop. Define a relation capital R from A to B by capital R equal to set of x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. Still is the relation such that x belongs to A, comma y belongs to B. Write capital R in roster form. Only capital R we need to write. The difference between x minus y is odd number we need to get. X we have to take from set A, y is from set B. Remember one thing, difference between two odd numbers will give us even number because 1 minus 3 if we do, minus for example 1 minus 9 minus 8, this even number will get. That's why difference between x and y is odd number means two odd numbers difference, even number, two even numbers difference, even number only. That's why we need to take difference between one odd and one even. Okay na? Because minus difference between one odd and one even gives odd number. For example 1 minus 4 minus 3 odd number, 1 minus 6 minus 5 is odd number. If you take 1 minus 9 minus 8 even number. That's why we need to take difference is odd number means only have to take one is odd means another one is even. So 1 comma 4 because 1 minus 4 is minus 3 odd number. Next 1 comma 6. 1 comma 9 I am not taking because you will get even number. Next 2. 2 comma 4 don't take. 2 comma 6 also don't take. Next 2 comma 9 because difference will get minus 7. 3. 3 comma 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 comma 6 don't take. 3 comma 9. Next 5. 5 comma 4, 5 comma 6. Don't take 5 comma 9 also. This order pairs x and y difference will get odd number only. That's all answer. Next, question number 4. Fourth one is not required, leave it. Next, continue next one. Let capital A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This also important for 3 marks. Let capital R be the relation on A defined by set of A comma B. This is capital R is given. Order pair set of A comma B. A comma B is belongs to set A. And relation is given. B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. But only single set is given. That's why B is exactly divisible by A means what? If we divide B by A, we need to get perfect value, not any decimal part. Okay. Only we need to get integer, remainder. In this they are asking, first question, write capital R in roster form. Second question, find the domain of R. Third question, find the range of R. This one we need to find out. Come to the solution. First, capital R we need to write. Every number can be divisible by itself. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 like that. That's why divide any number with itself means you will get a perfect remainder. That's why elements what is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. First I am taking 1 comma 1. This is A, this is B. 1 by 1 is possible, B by A. Next I am taking 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 6 by 6 over. Next, can I take 1 comma 2? Because set is same only. 1 comma 2 is correct or not, check once. What we need to get? B by A we need to get perfect. 2 by 1, perfect remainder. That's why 1 comma 2 possible. Can I take 2 comma 1? 1 by 2 is possible? No, it is not divisible perfectly. That's why 1 comma 2 is correct. Next, 1 comma 3 means what? 3 by 1, B by A. 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. Next, start with 2. 2, 1 not possible. 2, 3. If we take 2, 3, 3 by 2 not divisible. 2, 4, yes we can take. 4 by 2 is 2, perfectly divisible. 2 comma 6 also I can take. 6 by 2, 3. Next, start with 3. 3, 1 not possible. 3, 2 not possible. 3, 4 not possible. Can I take 3, 6? Yes, it is possible. Because 6 by 3 you will get 2. Next, 4 is their combination. Can I take 4, 6? 4, 6 means what? 6 by 4. 2, 3s are 2 2s are. Still it is not divisible perfectly. That's why up to this only possible order pairs. Up to 3 comma 6. This is a relation. That is the first question over. Second question, what? Find the domain of R. Domain. Set of first elements in order pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Again repeated, no need to write repeated elements. Range. Range means set of second elements in order pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Your domain range both are same only. Next, fifth question. Determine the domain and range. Domain and range of the relation capital R defined by capital R equal to set of order pair x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to open interval, sorry, set of, no, not open interval, set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here x value is given from 0 to 5 only. About y, we don't know here. Relation capital R defined by R, capital R is given. There is no limitations for this. We can write up to that all values. X is given means here x plus 5 are related to same values. Substitute. Here what you have to find a domain and range. Capital R equal to x I will take first 0. 0 comma 0 plus 5, that is 5. If I take 1, 1 I take means what you will get? 1 plus 5, 6. If I take 2, 2 plus 5, 7. Here second value no limitation, only x means 0 to 5. Now x plus 5 is more than that, not no issue. Next x value 3, 3 plus 5, 8. X value 4, 4 plus 5, 9. X value 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay na? Here second element, no limitation. Whatever x is there from 0 to 5 substitute. From that you will get second element x plus 5. Relation we got from this, we can write domain. What is domain? Set of first elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the range? Range is set of second elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, coming to sixth question. Write the relation capital R equal to set of x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. You know less than 10 which are prime numbers are there? First we should know the x value. X is a prime number. Less than 10 means which are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. 9, 10 tagobar. 1 also not prime number. Only these 4 are the prime numbers which is less than 10. This value is used and build the relation capital R. First x value 2, comma 2 cube, 3, comma 3 cube, 4, comma 4 cube. So 4 not there, sorry. 5, comma 5 cube, 7, comma 7 cube. Only 4 order pairs possible. You can write 2, comma 8, 3, comma 27, 5, comma 125, 7, comma. Now 7 square 49, 49 7s are 243. These are the possible order pairs in which form roster form we written. Next, question number 7. Let A equal to set of x comma y comma z, B equal to set of 1 comma 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Already we given formula number of relations n of A, that is a P symbol. How many elements are there in A set? 3. N of B, that is Q, 2 elements. So number of relations equal to 2 power P into Q, 2 power 3 into 2, that is 2 power 6. 2 power 6 means 64 relations possible. Next, last question. Let capital R be the relation on capital Z. Z means set of integers defined by capital R equal to set of order pair A comma B such that A comma B is belongs to Z, comma A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of capital R. Now domain and range of capital R means here what relation is given? A and B both are integers. A minus B we need to get integer. Subtraction whatever is there. Remember one thing, if A and B both are integers, then A minus B is also an integer. A domain and range we need to find out. Any value, A is an integer, correct? Set of integers will give A. Range means set of second elements only now, that is B is also which one? Integers. That's why domain of R clearly integer only, set of values. Range of relation also Z will get. Again repeating, A and B two integers means A minus B is also integers. That's why again you will get set of integers in first order pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative side 0. So 0 I can take, negative means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. In the place of B also we can take any number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 minus 0, 0 I will get, 0 is an integer. 1 minus 1, 0, integer. Next 1 minus 2, minus 1, integer. That's why domain is a integer, range also integer. Now relation concept is over. Now coming to next concept is function. Now what you learn in relation is defines relation between first element and second element of an order pair in A cross B. Function is also one type of relation. In this, what is the definition of relation is when that relation is said to be function. Now what is the difference between function and relation also we need to understand. Function definition is a relation small f, f stands for function. When this relation f becomes a function means each element in set A having only one image in set B. Repeating again, a relation small f from set A to B is said to be a function if each element of set A having one and only one image in set B. Set of each element of set A having one and only one image in set B, that is called a function. Now the function f is from A to B means we are representing like this, f maps A to B, that we are representing like this, f maps f such that A maps B or A tends to B. Symbol you are notating like this, A tends to B we are taking in function f. Now here we need to understand here what is the difference between relation and function. For example, A and this is B. A, B, C, D is there, E also there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here with 2, B with 1, C with 3, D with 4, E with 5. This is clearly function because each element of set A having only one image. That can be same image or different images, not a issue. That we will discuss in second year. Different images or same images. Here what? C and D having all are having different images only. For example, here 5 is not there. I removed here. Only E left. Here E is not having any image in B. Then it is not a function. Reason? Each element of A having one and only one image in set B. If any element left in set A, that is not a function. Every element must be mapped with one element in set B. Here E is not, but it is a relation. Next, one more example I will take. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 5 also not there. Taken like this. Here A set and B set. Every function is a relation, but every relation is need not be a function. Remember one thing. Difference you can understand. It is a relation, but it is not a function. What is the reason? E is not having image. Next, coming to in this. A having image 2, B having image 3, C having image 1, D having image what? 3, E having image 4. All elements are mapped or not? Yes. Each element having only one image. E it is not mapped with two elements. D also mapped with only one element. But here what? B and D having only one image, same image. It is clearly function. It's clearly a function. Reason? Each element in set A having only one image in set B. Having one and only one image in set B. It is a relation also because every function is a relation. First of all, function is a relation first of all. Then it becomes a function means what condition? Each element of set A having only one image in set B. If any element left in this, that is not a function. It is a relation because E is not related with any element, but it is not a function. And one more example I will take. A, B, C, D, E. Five, 6. A3, B2, C1, D4, E5, E6. Is it a relation? Yes, it is a relation. It is a function? No. Why it is not function? E having how many images? 2 images. But what I said, each element of set A having only one image in set B. It is a relation, but not a function. What is the reason? The element E in set A having 2 images. 2 images is not a function, it is a relation only. Because relation is possible. One object related with any number of elements. But in function, it is not possible. One element mapped with only one element, not with many. Any element left also, that is not a function, that is also relation. Now clear, all of you understood? What is the difference between relation and function? Here the statement should remember, every function is a relation, but every relation need not be a function. Example here only there, arrow diagram is relation, but it is not a function. It is a function, but it is also a relation. And is also relation. Because function, first of all, it is a relation. When this relation becomes a function means the each element in set A having only one image in set B, then this relation changes to function concept. Okay. Now function have another name is mapping. We call another name is mapping also. So function means f is maps from A to B. So f maps A to B. It's a symbol like this. F maps A to B. We can read like this. Clear? Difference between relation and function. When we call the relation set to be a function means each element of set A having only one image in set B. For example, if the order pair A comma B belongs to function means from this we can write f of A equal to B. Or still you want easy purpose, we can take symbol x and y variable. If x comma y order pair belongs to the function means from this we can write f of x is equal to y, where y is the image of x under f. F means under function f. And x is the pre-image of y under f function. The function y in terms of x. Here y is the image of x. For image, for example, if you are standing in front of mirror, our image we can see in mirror. Mirror pre-image is what? Any object which is standing in front of mirror. Clear? That's why y is the image of x means x is the pre-image of y. Under which one? Function f. Clear?